I'm always watching you, kid. Always watching you like a hawk.
Go to your room right now, Mitchell. You are grounded.
Man, I can't believe my stupid parents gave me a punishment day for locking my brother in the basement. What should I do since I'm bored? I know, I'm going to make a fake EAS alert so I can get back at my family. Ha 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 ha. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the EAS headquarters now. Well, this is the place, the EAS headquarters. Let's sneak inside.
All right, everybody, it's lunchtime. You can have your 30-minute break.
Alright, the coast is clear. Wow, so many choices to pick. These EAS alerts are really good, but I wish there was an actual good one. Wait, what does this button do? Wow, I can upload my own EAS alert. Wait, that reminds me. Good thing I brought this flash drive with my favorite type of EAS alert, zombies. Now let's put this in. Great, now let's upload the zombie EAS alert to activation. Sweet, now all we have to do is convert it into an alert button. Sweet, now let's rename the file. Success. Now the button should be ready. Finally, now it's time to push the button to alert everybody for zombies. This is so gonna be funny.
Real life. New Aveeno Nars Plus Shine with active natural sweets.
Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Attacks by the undead have been reported in several states across the country. They include Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, and Texas. The dead are rising from their graves and are attacking the human race. At this time, it's expected that more attacks of this nature will occur in several other states in the next few hours. The intent behind the attack is unknown at this time. It has been observed that unlike the exchange of fluids is a method of transmission. If any of these things occur to you, or you turn into one of these creatures, this is an extremely dangerous situation as they crave the taste of human flesh. To protect yourself from potential effects, all residents of the United States are strongly encouraged to follow these instructions. Stay away from these creatures. Get inside a building with few doors and windows. Do not make eye contact with them. Doing this will incite attack. Seek shelter in a room above or below ground, preferably one that is blocked by several doors. Do not use any electrical devices, as this may attract them. Make sure that you take food and water with you to your place of refuge. It is not known whether this event will last for hours, days, or even longer. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control.
Quick, get the kids and the emergency food supplies to the basement. I'll go get my emergency kit.
Quick kids, go to the basement, go get supplies and food, hurry.
Honestly, deep down.
Hey, who are you and how did you get in here?
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. I just made the most funniest prank ever.
Wait, what do you mean by that? Wait, oh my fucking god.
Do you know what you have just done? You caused so much panic to the whole damn world. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't care what I did. It was so damn funny.
That's it, I'm calling your parents.
Ha, you don't know me, my parents, or their phone number.
Oh really, Mitchell? We do all know, in fact, know who you are. Now I'm calling your parents.
No.
Quick, make an administrative message to the whole world that this was a false alarm.
No problem.
Hey, where is everybody?
There you are, Mitchell. Quick, let's go to the basement. Go hide there with your mom, Janet, and Alfie while I barricade the door. It's been real quiet now. I wonder what's going on now. It's an EAS message. Let's see what it is.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear and false alert. There is no real zombies or a threat. I repeat, this is a false EAS alert that was announced to the whole world. All clear.
Guys, it was a false alarm. There's no zombies, but who would have made such a false EAS alert like that? This is Tanner Snoots. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Christopher, and I'm the leader of the EAS headquarters, and I wanted to inform you that your son has made a fake EAS alert to the whole world causing so much panic. Can you please ground him?
He did what? Are you fucking serious? Thank you for telling me. I will take care of it.
What happened, dear?
Someone make a fake EAS alert causing so much panic to the whole world.
Who?
Mitchell Blake Snoots. Mitchell, tell us the fucking truth right now.
Okay. Yes, I made a fake EAS alert as a prank. I'm so sorry.
Mitchell, what the fuck is wrong with you? You caused so much panic and chaos to the whole world. This is the most stupidest thing you ever done in the world. That's it. You're so grounded for 6 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 years. Go to your fucking room right fucking now.